Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will dive into solving a classic LeetCode problem, longest common prefix. By the end of this tutorial, you will not only understand how to solve this problem, but also gain a deeper insight into Python, data structures, and algorithms. Let's start with a friendly opening. Imagine you are faced with an array of strings, and your task is to find the longest common prefix among them. It's like trying to find the shared starting sequence in a group of words. And if there's no common prefix, we return an empty string. Does it sound intriguing? Well, let's break it down step by step. The idea behind solving this problem is relatively straightforward. We will take the first string in the array as our reference point, and then we will iterate through each character of that string. While doing so, we will compare the corresponding characters in the other strings. As soon as we find a mismatch or reach the end of any string, we will return the prefix we have found so far. Now, let's break down each line of code. We start with defining our Python class and the longest common prefix method. We immediately handle the edge case where the input list strings is empty, returning an empty string in this case. And next, we create a reference string base by taking the first string from the input array strings. And here's the heart of our solution. We iterate through the characters of the base string. For each character at index I, we loop through all the other strings in strings, excluding the first one as it's our reference point. And if we find a character mismatch at the same position, or if we reach the end of any string, we return the prefix we have found so far. And finally, if we have made it through the loop without returning, it means the base string itself is the longest common prefix, and we return it. The time complexity of this solution is big O of n multiply n, where n is the number of strings in strings, and n is the length of the longest string in the array. This is because we iterate through the characters of the base string, which has a length of n. In the worst case, we may need to compare each character of the string of the base string with the corresponding character in all the other n subtract 1 strings in strings. So for each character in the base string, we have to perform n subtract 1 comparisons. Therefore, the overall time complexity is big O of n multiply n subtract 1, which simplifies to big O of n multiply n, because we drop the constant factor. And the space complexity is big O of 1. Here's why. We have a constant number of variables used for indexing comparisons and storing the reference string base. And we don't use any additional data structures like lists or dictionaries that grow with the input size. So regardless of the size of the input array or the length of the strings, the space used by this algorithm remains constant. So in summary, this solution is efficient in terms of space complexity and has a time complexity that depends on the number of strings in the input array and the length of the longest string. It performs character comparisons between the strings to find the longest common prefix, making it a practical and effective approach for this problem. And there you have it, folks. We have successfully journeyed through the intricacies of the longest common prefix problem. And I hope you found this tutorial not only informative, but also fun. I encourage you to practice this problem on your own, and don't forget to test it with different sets of strings to solidify your understanding. Python is a fantastic language for problem solving, and with the right approach, you can tackle complex coding challenges like this one. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more LeetCode programming tutorials. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy coding and thanks for watching. Goodbye!